I don't want a dead note. I don't want to sort it. I don't wanna.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So I look crazy. Yeah, my eye makeup is a lot today. Loving life. So in today's makeup tutorial slash eye makeup tutorial, we're going to be using the Carnival palette, the Bperfect Extra Large Pro palette. I mean, just look at that, that's delicious. We all know it's delicious. And then I will also, as you can see, my lashes, I'm wearing the new Mmmmitchell Tatti lashes. So the bottom lashes and the new lashes. I feel like, oh, I just love the lashes. Like the lashes are just everything. Like look at them from the side view. Oh, spider legs. No, I absolutely love them. Okay, let's get straight into the video. I need to stop. So the first step is putting the Plouise base on. This is an older, like literally like this is the first like base I ever brought out. Like I had two of these and like this is my last one. I'm going to take a MAC 252 brush, any big flat brush, right underneath and carve the brow out. I don't do my brows first just because I like a fluffier brow. Then dragging it down. Oh my god, I need to shave. Well, not shave, but I need to pluck that because like what is that? Just really soft with this movement, and then all you're going to do is like pat the rest of the product on. So you want your base to be really nice and even, just so the eyeshadow colours blend really nice and go on very nice. Your base is really important because if your base is patchy, your eyeshadows will look patchy. So the first colour we're going to start off with, I don't know how I'll be able to see this, like show you this, it's so zoomed in, but this is the Carnival Extra Large palette. We're going to go in with the colour Mood, which is that really, really dark blue colour. I'm going to use a 221 brush by MAC. This is a real hair, not a synthetic one. The only thing with this colour is it literally looks not as dark when you first put it on. But you want to basically pop that, starting up in the middle, and you're just creating your shape. Oh, I've just itched my brow. I always do that. I'm like, oh crap. Start really slowly, just building up that colour. Oh my god, look how messy that looks. I always put my pinky finger on my face just so I've got a little bit of stabilisation and I'm not just going in like, ooh. It will blend out, guys. Don't panic. That is the worst thing you can do right now. I use a little bit of Lights Out, which is a black. I use a tiny bit of that. I use a tiny bit of that on the same 221 brush. And just deepen it just a slight bit. Oh my god, I keep doing that. So to make this look more purpley, indigo-y kind of colour, I just love this type of purple, it just looks so pretty. I'm going to take the colour Wasted in this palette. So if you've got the last palette, they have this colour in there, but this one is so much more pigmented and blendable in my opinion. I use a 224 brush by MAC. This is an old natural hair brush. I've had this for like 4 years now, and blend those corners out really, really soft. Don't be harsh with this movement whatsoever because we need to blend out that mess that I made. So I'm just slowly building up that colour and grabbing some more. It's going right in the crease. Just take your time. I feel like if you rush, it just becomes a mess very, very quickly. That's why I always say take your time. So I'm going to take a bigger blending brush so you can see the difference in between these two. So I'm going to use this bigger one, which is a lot more softer. And I'm going to take the colour Pep Talk. You can take the colour Funky as well. I might mix the two together, but I'm going to start off with Pep Talk. So this will just make it a little bit more purple and blend out the edges because we need a light colour just to diffuse those edges. And just do little circling motions. And just softly start building that colour up on the outer edge. You can see slowly we're getting there. And you're blending it in on the colour, you're not blending it outwards. You see like blending the colour back in on the darker colours. So you can see it's starting to smooth out now. It's just a process, guys. So taking the colour Mood, which is that dark blue colour we started with, and just popping that back into the crease with the 221 brush, just so we've got that definition back. I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and just soften the edges as well, just because sometimes the colour comes up a bit too far. I'm going to take the colour Mood again and then go with wasted to blend it out. So I'm just going to tap that on the outer corner with a 221 brush and on the inner corner as well, because it is a spotlight eye. So I'm going to take Plouise base on a 242 brush. So this is just a little bit small, well, a lot smaller than the MAC 252 brush we used in the beginning. So to cut the crease, all I'm going to do is literally, I've obviously got a guide there, but I like to just pat it in the middle first. Wait, why am I using that mirror? So I'm just going to pat that on there. So just using the edge of the brush to create the shape for you. You don't want to drag it just because it'll mix in with the eyeshadow and then you'll get like a purple mess basically. So then when you cut the crease, what you want to do is you want to go in with the colour Wasted. So that purple right there, and just go back in on it. So using that 221 brush with the colour Wasted, and you kind of just like dragging it back in. Almost like you're patting it, but you're also like going like diagonal. Sorry, I hope this focuses because it's going to stress me out if it doesn't. What I'm going to do is we're going to use the colour Orchid, I think it's called. So it's this lilac shimmery colour. Just use that on any flat brush and we're just going to go right on top. Just like that. Oh my god, why is it not focusing? I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. There we go. I think it'll focus a little bit more now. Okay, so you want to start off with your lid colour lower and work your way up higher, just so the edges of the cut crease are not like dispersing into your crease, so it's still quite sharp. And then kind of go back and forth just on the edge. The glitters we're going to be using are two MAC ones. You don't have to use them both, but I like to have a little bit of mixture so it's not too pink. So Reflex Pink and Reflex Pearl by MAC. They're in these little tiny pots because I don't like keep grabbing the full-sized versions out, because the full-size pots, I spill them everywhere basically. So going in with Reflex Pearl first, I'm literally just going to tap that on top. You don't need to put the pink in with it if you really didn't want to. You could leave it like that. Oh my god, no. That's doing my head in. What is that? Go away. So I like to mix it so it's not too pink. So underneath is really, really simple to do. All I'm going to do is put the Plouise base on and then darken it up a little bit. The under eye is always the easiest part to do in my opinion. And I'm just patting that on. Some people like to do the under eye after the foundation, but I feel like I need to do it like before, because if not it literally will drop down still for me. I don't know if it drops down for anybody else, but I feel like I'm just so used to doing it before the foundation. We'll take the colour Mood and a little bit of Wasted after. I feel like I need to show you guys because I feel like someone in the comments is going to be like, why are you not showing me what colour it is? This is a Morphe 213 brush. Just a little tiny detail brush will do. I'm literally just popping that on as close to your lash line. And then taking Wasted. Again, taking Pep Tart, which is that light pink colour, and a 224 MAC brush, any blending brush will do. So underneath like so, just to blend out those colours. Then I'm going to take Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in Amber Royalty, and I'm literally just going to pop this straight in the waterline. I will not be good at doing this on camera, I swear to God. I'm going to use the lip wand. I only use these for eyes and eyeliners, that's why I'm using the actual lip wand. You guys might find it disgusting, but I only use them for eyes anyway, and I only use them on myself, I don't use them on clients. Okay, so I've just put the rest of my makeup on while my camera died, obviously. I thought I'd film putting these lashes on. So these are the TLMMMMitchell 2 lashes, Mmmmitchell. So this is what they look like. Now I'll show you what they look like compared to. So these are the originals and these are the new pair. So they are longer, thicker, and they're just basically got gaps in them. So you can see these are a little bit more sectioned off, and these are just like altogether a fluffy lash. These are the ones I normally wear in every single video. You can just see, I don't know if you can be able to see that. These are just a little bit more wispy. And they are literally just like sectioned off. You can see the little chunks of them. So I always cut them first and then wiggle them, because there's no point in wiggling them if you haven't cut them. I feel like it's just a waste. Okay. Oh my god, they are big. Oh my god, they're touching my eyebrow. That looks crazy. Oh, I love that though. I feel like it's just like for like Instagram photos kind of thing. Oh my god, guys, I'm actually obsessed with these lashes. The bottom lashes. Have you seen the bottom lashes though, guys? I know that some of you in the comments are gonna be like, they're ugly, man. Everyone's got different opinions, okay? But I absolutely love big lashes. That's why I'm digging these. I kind of feel like a clown, but I'm kind of digging it. No, I love them. Yes! I feel like bottom lashes, these have done right, basically. They've done them right. I love them. They're nice and spiky looking. Yeah, I love them. Yes! Okay, so this is the finished eye makeup using the Carnival Extra Large Pro palette. I am absolutely in love with this palette. I like it better than the previous palette. I feel like it's just got a lot of nice colours in it. I just really like look at it and you don't need to get inspired, so it's inspired me to do some more colours, so watch out on my Instagram. Let me know what you want to see in future videos. Do you want more eye makeup tutorials like this one? It's probably been a long video, I can't really tell, but my camera keeps cutting out on me. Cannot wait to get a new one, guys. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I ramble on so much. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go down below and subscribe. It would help me out so much, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want more videos like this. Thumbs up down below. And I shall see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!